Today we're delving into the intricacies of the Vaer R1 tactical chronograph. Now, this isn't just some mecha quartz chronograph, and you guys know I've taken a look at a whole lot of those throughout the years. No, this one specifically is a testament to the art of American assembly and the spirit of adventure. It's 1:54 p.m. Let's get down to business. The Vaer R1 tactical chronograph is equipped with a 10 atmosphere water resistance rating, making it a reliable companion for depths of up to 100 meters. Now, if you guys want to understand better your watch's water resistance rating, I actually made an episode for you, so click the top corner and take a look at that. This watch is crafted from robust 316L stainless steel and featuring a threaded crown. The anti-reflective double dome sapphire crystal ensures clarity in any expedition. I wear mine when I'm going to buy a cup of coffee, but you can probably wear yours swimming, hiking, driving, whatever you want. Notice its refined dimensions: a 40mm case diameter with an 11.8mm case thickness without the crystal, and a 48mm lug to lug. It's designed for comfort and presence on your wrist without being overkill. At its core, the R1 Tactical operates with a Seiko VK63 Japanese mecha quartz chronograph movement, blending the best of quartz accuracy with the tactile response of a mechanical chronograph. The 40-month battery life and precise timing tolerance are a testament to its crafted assembly, proudly done here in the United States. The dial of the R1 Tactical is a marvel in low light legibility, boasting a Vaer Lume performance rating of 9 out of 10 thanks to its 25 layers of C3 Superluminova. The hour and minute hands are finished with A-grade BGW9, offering a premium look that's visible in all conditions, and for peace of mind, Vaer stands behind the R1 Tactical chronograph with a 2-year guaranteed waterproof warranty. Now, let's quickly go over the pros and cons. First pro. The dimensions are perfect, and this actually might be the best thing about this watch. It is supremely wearable. Now, I have just over 7.5-inch wrists, and this watch is just, it's not like a dinky little coin on my wrist, but it's also not some huge hockey puck. It's just very, very comfortable, not cumbersome, but also is easy to read and something that I could feel comfortable wearing day to day. The lume is impeccable, okay? It is blindingly bright, and it's like something that I could actually compare to one of my Seikos and it be fairly comparable. The next thing is definitely a personal preference. I love the crystal distortion coming off of that double dome sapphire, although some people might not like it. Now to the cons. Okay, the watch, although I find the dimensions to be perfect, it actually does wear a bit on the smaller side, again, which I like, but if you do have larger wrists than mine, you might want to consider that and look elsewhere. Some people will also not like the fact that this is a quartz, a soulless quartz watch, although I wear quartz watches all the time, multiple times a week. All in all, this R1 tactical chronograph from Vaer is a tough, resilient chronograph at an entry-level price range for someone looking for function, beauty, and value. But there you have it, guys, another review in the books, so let me know what you think, and if you want some more information about this watch, I'll leave a link to Vaer's website in the description below. Alright guys, stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time, I just tell it.